This digital bass processor from BLAUPUNKT brings back low-end detail that is often stripped away by compressed music files, making familiar tracks sound fuller and more dynamic in the car. The unit gives you very precise control over bass response, so you can fine-tune the impact to match your subwoofers, music style, and cabin acoustics. Its adjustable parametric bass enhancement lets you target a specific frequency range and bandwidth, which helps tighten boomy bass and add weight only where it is needed. Balanced input circuitry is designed to reject noise picked up along signal cables, helping to keep the background quiet even in more complex aftermarket systems. The high headroom switching power supply provides stable performance during demanding bass passages, reducing the chances of distortion or dropouts when the volume climbs. A wired remote knob allows you to adjust bass intensity from the driver's seat, making it easy to adapt the sound instantly as songs and road conditions change.